what's up guys? It's your girl AJ and this is a video tutorial for our performance task in Analytic. The video starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Our first topic is distance between 2 points. The most convenient way to solve for the distance between 2 points on the number line is through subtraction and its absolute value.
For example, Ma'am Pam asked us to find the distance between point A, which is 6, and point B, which is -10. Now, let's try to solve it.
First, write the formula, the absolute value of A minus B. Substitute the value A with 6 and variable B with -10. When you subtract, you always do KFC for the signs. In here, you keep the positive sign of 6, flip the minus sign into addition sign, and lastly, change the sign of your -10 into positive. Your difference is now 16 or positive 16.
If you have already 2 points on the number line, you can now determine the midpoint's location. For example, Ma'am Pam said we have an activity today. I need 2 volunteers to stand on the back and front part of our classroom, then find the midpoint's location. These 2 volunteers will serve as our 2 points. The distance between the 2 volunteers is 10 meters. What is the midpoint? This is a very simple task. You can use this formula x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2. You add up the 2 points given then divide them into 2. Easy, don't you think? But in our case, you already have 10 as your distance. So you only have to divide 10 to 2 and the answer is 5.
Alisa is at ICTHS, -3 and -8, and she wants to go to SM Talabastagan 9 and 6. How far does she need to travel to be there?
Substitute x sub 1 to 9, x sub 2 to -3, y sub 1 to 6, and y sub 2 to -8. If you subtract 9 to -3, you will get 12 square. This difference is added to -2 square. The difference of -8 and 6, square both 12 and -2, and you will get 144 and 4. Add these two and you will get the square root of 148.
In getting the midpoint, you will use this formula. X sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2.
Now, let's try solving using this formula. 9 Newton room is 10 meters away from 9 Curie's room. What is the location of 9 Einstein if it is in the middle of 9 Newton, -5 and 4, and 9 Curie, 6 and 8? Let x sub 1 be -5 and x sub 2 be 6, while y sub 1 is 4 and y sub 2 is 8. Add -5 and 6 and divide it by 2, and you will get -1/2. This will serve as your x for the midpoint coordinate. Next, add 4 and 8 and divide it by 2, and you will get 6 as the answer. This will now serve as your y coordinate for your midpoint, -1/2 and 6. If you encounter this type of problems, try to use this formula. X sub p is equals to m times x sub 2 plus n times x sub 1 over m plus n, and y sub p equals m times y sub 2 plus n times y sub 1 over m plus n. 8 Euclid room 1 and 3 and 8 Pythagoras room -6 and -4 is bisected by the room of 8 Fibonacci with a ratio of 3:1. Find the coordinate of 8 Fibonacci's. Let's use 3 as m and 1 as n. Let x sub 2 be -6 and 1 as x sub 1, y sub 2 as -4 and y sub 1 as 3. To get the x sub p, multiply 3 by -6 and add this by the product of 1 and 1. -18 plus 1, you will get 17 over 4. You have to simplify it and you still get 4 and 1/4. To get the y sub p, try to do the same as how you get the answer in the x sub p coordinate. If an instance your midpoint is given, you will eventually do this. A Alexa is planning to go to her friend's place, which is point x, negative 3, negative 4, while her other friend is in point 2 and 3. The ratio is 4:2. You will substitute x sub p by negative 3 and y sub p by negative 4, m as 4 and n as 3, x sub 1 as 2 and y sub 1 as 3. You will see this as your solution. Negative 3 is equals to 4 times x sub 2 plus 3 times 2 over 7, and negative 4 is equals to 4y sub 2 plus 3 times 3 over 7. Use 7 to multiply the both sides to cancel the denominator. After you did that, proceed in x sub b solution. All you have left is negative 21 is equals to 4x squared plus 6. And you will transpose to 6 to negative 21 and you will get negative 27. All what is left is the number 4, so divide negative 27 and 4x sub 2 by 4 and you will get negative 6 3 over 4. Do the same to the y sub b coordinate.
Hope you like our video tutorial.
If you want more, please subscribe and like our video.
And don't forget to click the notification bell.
If you want to watch the bloopers for this video, you can click it right here.
Thank you. Till next time.
Thank you!